On another note, we install the Fat Boy kit before we paint because we like our paint to match and on all the rivets, everything covered, or the hucks, whatever we choose to use on this one. We like it all to match. We've had people complain in the comments that you need to paint it first and then put it on there. That is fine and dandy if that's how you guys want to do it. That's not how we do it. We are not asking for people to bring their trucks here to put these kits on. This one is our truck. One of the previous videos was a truck. The only reason we did it for that customer was we bought a truck from them and that was part of the deal. So we're not trying to get people to come here and do this. We have plenty of stuff to do. We're just showing what we do. If you don't like it, I guess don't buy it from us. Problem solved. We've had a lot of people ask us about clothing and hats, merchandise, stuff like that. We've sold a lot of clothing over the years at the Chrome Shop here. A quick look at what some of the stuff we have. We got zip-up hoodies, regular hoodies, we got long sleeve tees, short sleeve tees, neon yellow beanies with fleece lining in it. People have really been liking those. Same thing, but in black. We can ship the clothing out to anybody that orders on our website. So if you're interested, go to McDonaldChromeShop.com. Check it out, see what you like. So we have black hoodies with like a neon green or lime green. So here's your back. You got zip-up hoodies with a blue, with your gray, like a heather gray with the lime green. This logo up front, zip up. There's just a few different assortments of what we got. Red shirts with blue. We've got the heather gray with orange. There's some blue with green. Looks like a deep, dark navy blue. We got these ones here, the McDonald Truck Wash, Grant, Iowa. And like a heather red. Also in green. Nothing on the back. More of a retro style. different kind of material. You got gray with the red, black with the lime green, purple lime green. These ones here, this one's an older one. We've only got a couple of these left we can reorder. More of a baseball style long sleeve. So yeah, as you can see, there's a big assortment of different clothing all the way up to 5X. So if you need anything, give us a shout. Alright, before everybody loses their goddamn minds in the comment section on this video, we tape off what we need to tape off when we're doing just a patch project or we're adding something to it. If there's anywhere we're worried about overspray that's not in a direct line of fire, we use a silicone spray that we spray on, and at the end, when everything's cured and done, we can rinse it right off. It's done, clean, no problems. I am so tired of listening to people in the comment sections that have no fucking idea what we're doing. So, if they would just look at the finished project when it's done, there's no overspray, and if there was a spot that had a little overspray, say like on a tank or on anything, they make this stuff called paint thinner. We can use that if we have to. So, I hope to eliminate every stupid comment about that. Again, we've said these are not show trucks. These are nice trucks, look nice, practical. We can put on $30,000 paint jobs if we want, or $25,000 paint jobs. We don't need to do that for the projects that these are. Certain projects, yes, maybe, but not these. So please just stop losing your mind in the comments.
Trucks Accessories is proud to introduce the first ever combination work lamp and built-in strobe. This exclusive lineup is the first of its kind, combining powerful beams of brilliant white light onto your workspace while providing cautionary hazard lighting, and it makes these work lamps a must-have. The days of buying and installing a separate work lamp and a strobe light are over. Light up your workspace and provide a caution strobe all in one compact, multifunction LED work lamp, which saves you space and money. See or be seen in the flick of a switch. The combination work lamp and strobe series includes several styles and sizes and strobe colors to fit any application. Spot flood combo with X strobe, half moon, side shooter with amber strobe, side shooter with red strobe, rectangular with amber strobe, and rectangular with red strobe. Our unique multifunction LED work lamps are the perfect all-in-one solution for a wide range of industries. Trucks Accessories has committed themselves to quality and reliability. That's why every work lamp comes standard with a no-hassle 3-year warranty. Work smarter, not harder. Another original by Trucks Accessories. For our full range of combination LED strobe work lamps, check out our website at trucksaccessories.com. That's TRUX accessories.com.